Yes, hello guys. This is Simon Peter Snipes. Welcome to today's video. Today is the 23rd of April 2020. Okay, so guys, as always, I always come in here to give information to you about Roy Club and what Roy Club has to offer. So for those who are probably just bumping into this video for the first time, Roy Club is an online investment platform that gives you opportunity to earn a passive income for you and for your family. So Roy Club offers between 15% to 20% per month on your investment. Okay, which I think it's a very good percentage on investment profit, which is really interesting. So today, guys, it's going to be a bit unique. I'm going to be doing a Q&A, and I'll just be answering questions from someone who is interested in Roy Club and just wants to know general information about the Roy Club. Okay, so the person is here with me, and I'll be introducing them shortly. Okay. You're most welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, so today I'll be, just answering any questions that you may have, about Roy Club, about Prism,
Yes.
about CWT, change all together, so that, you can just get, a better perspective on what Roy Club is, what to expect, and all that. So I'm going to give you the floor, and you shoot the questions,
Okay.
and I receive them, and hopefully I'll answer them to the best of my ability. Yeah.
All right. So hello everyone. So my first question is, on Facebook I have friends who have joined Roy Club, just like Simon. So every time I get the notification, like when they post, so I'm wondering, what is Roy Club all about?
Okay, so thank you so much for that question. So Roy Club basically is an online investment platform. I don't know, when you hear the term investment, you understand that it is you putting money into something and expecting a reward from it. So in Roy Club, what we do is people make an investment, and from that investment they earn a profit from it. Okay, so Roy Club offers between 15% to 20% profit on their investments per month. Okay, and these profits, can be withdrawn at any one point. Okay, so this is an online platform. The currency used is a digital currency, obviously, called Prism cryptocurrency.
Okay.
Yes. So, yeah, so that is in brief what Roy Club is. That it's an online investment platform where you can invest your money and get a profit from it.
Okay, so you're saying it's an investment. Is there like an amount that I can start with, or I can put? Is there like what can I say? The lowest amount or the maximum I can start with?
Okay. Thank you for
to invest.
Cool. All right. That's a good question, actually. So in the Roy Club, basically there is a minimum investment amount. Okay, and the minimum is 100 prisms. Okay, so 100 prisms is the bare minimum. That is like the least. Okay, and like at the current rate of the prism right now, that is probably about $7. Okay, at the current rate of prism, it's about $7. So, but we have no limit on the maximum. It is free. You can invest as much as you can. You can invest as much as you can, even 10 million, even beyond that. You can invest as much as you are able to invest.
Okay. So, okay, so minus me investing, because you've been talking about investments and getting profit out. Are there other opportunities that if I join Royal Club, I can benefit from?
Yeah, definitely. Roy Club is just basically not an investment platform. The goal of Roy Club is to see the community change. That's why, they say we are changing the world together. And changing the world together means being able to provide ways and opportunities of how people in our community can have better lives. So there is something called the Roy Bounty Program, and it's a
Okay.
program part of Roy Club.
Okay.
Let me just scroll down. You can see something here.
Right.
Roy Bounty. So the Roy Bounty program is a program within the Roy Club, and it is there for club members. Okay, so club members are able to participate in the Roy Bounty program. Obviously, club members meaning that you have to have an account with Roy Club, meaning you should have invested.
Okay.
So, like I said, minimum 100 prisms. Okay.
Okay.
So in order for you to participate in the Roy Bounty program, you need to have a Roy Club account. Okay? And Roy Bounty program enables you to earn money, extra money, by doing simple online tasks. Now, for example, this video that we're doing, I'm going to post it on YouTube, and I'll be earning some money from this video, about $2.4.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Which I think is quite interesting. So there are other different tasks that are provided for someone to be able to do. And with the Roy Bounty program, you can earn close to $12 per day if you actually do all the tasks that you're given, which is a very good amount, I should say.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so that brings me to what you've been talking about. How can I join it?
Okay, so how can you join Roy Club, or how can you join?
How do I join Roy Club?
So it's actually quite easy. All right. So basically, all we need to do, you get your investment money, which is you can get the minimum. Okay. Which is 100 prisms, and then we register, create for you. First of all, we shall create a prism wallet, of course, where you have to store your prism. And then we shall create a Roy Club account where you will send that investment money. Okay. So once you have finished creating a Roy Club account and you have sent your money, then you officially are part of the Roy Club, and also your profits start being generated. Like, remember, they said 15 to 20%. So by the end of the month, you have your 15 to 20% profit on your money. Okay. Then from there, immediately you can join the Roy Bounty program and also start earning extra money by doing online tasks.
All right. Thank you so much for answering my questions. I think I'm really convinced, and I plan to join Roy Club.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That is really cool, and thanks for shooting those questions. And yeah, guys, I hope people outside there have picked something small from this presentation. I hope with this small information you can have a greater time and be able to make a decision on joining Roy Club, and participating in this and earn some passive income. So otherwise, thanks again, my visitor. Thank you for your questions, and thanks our viewers for checking in. And yeah, we wish you guys a good day. Today has been the 23rd of April 2020, and this video has been brought to you by Roy Club.